In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Docs for group projects. Collaborating effectively with your team can significantly streamline any group project, and Google Docs offers a fantastic platform for doing just that. It's simple, efficient, and allows real-time interaction, making it an ideal choice for team projects. Let's begin with opening your web browser and searching for Google Docs. Just type in Google Docs in your search bar and click on the appropriate link, which will usually be one of the top results. Once Google Docs is open, you'll need to log in using your Google account credentials. If you don't have one, creating an account is quick and straightforward, and it opens the door to Google's suite of productivity tools. Once you're logged in and have a document open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find a blue button labeled Share. Click this button, and a pop-up window will appear. In the spaces provided, enter the email addresses of the team members you'd like to collaborate with. After entering their emails, it's important to assign roles to your collaborators. You have three options: editor, commenter, and viewer. Most of the time, you'll want to assign the editor role, which allows others to make direct modifications to the content. However, if some of your teammates should only be providing feedback without altering the document, choosing the commenter role might be best. The viewer role is suited for those who just need to read the document without making changes. Next, click Send to share the document and notify your team member via email. This ensures they have immediate access to the file and can start contributing right away. Once everyone has access, use headings to divide the document into clear sections. This will help organize both the document structure and what specific tasks each member is responsible for. Assigning particular sections to each team member prevents overlap and ensures everyone knows their duties. Another valuable tool within Google Docs is the comment feature. This feature allows you, or anyone in the group, to leave detailed feedback or questions directly on the specific sections of the text. This way, you're communicating effectively without disrupting the main content. If you ever need to track changes or return to a previous version of the document, Google Docs got you covered. Simply go to File, then Version History, and See Version History. Here, you'll find a complete log of recent edits, detailing who made the changes and when. If necessary, you can even select an earlier version and restore the document to that state. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using Google Docs for managing and collaborating on group projects. By following these steps, you ensure a more organized, efficient, and collaborative process for your team. Thanks for joining me today, and happy collaborating!